So we have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 8, 10. Tak cukup lagi. Okay, Sophia. 9, 10. Okay. So let's continue. Sorry about that. Okay, let me check first. Can I record now this time? Can I record it? Yes, I can record it. Stop recording. Oh, it is automatically record. Okay, good. Okay, let's continue. So these are the question that we have to ask. Some sample related to business. Before we create or construct our objective. Okay, so a bit target modeling opportunities. Okay, this is just maybe we go through the checklist. What are target modeling opportunities that we can do based on our objective? Like retail. In retail, for example, we can look at the response from the customer, attrition, cross-sell or upsell, net present value, lifetime value. In banking, also, telecom. So nowadays people switch to Unify, isn't it? Instead of Cellcom. How many of you using Cellcom instead of Unify? Berapa orang? All you using Unify currently?
Cellcom, Doktor, Cellcom.
Oh, Cellcom masih setia. Why you choose Cellcom? Why? Cheap or the reachability dia good? Why you choose Cellcom?
Malas nak tukar, Doktor.
Oh yeah, you used to the apa ni the telecom company. Okay. So everybody have their own reason. Okay. And then we define goals, translate business objective into analytics goal. So do you plan so are we going to do profile analysis, segmentation, response modeling, risk modeling, activation? So there's a lot of possible models that we can use if we have data in hand. So just need to understand the data, and also set our correct objectives. Okay, and then we select the data, suitable data for modeling. Do we want to focus on demographic, behavioral, psychographic? And the source can be like primary data. You collect your own. Untuk to collect the sample, number of sample, you can use Craigie and Morgan. 1970. Craigie and Morgan, they give you a guideline. If you want to, if your population is this much and how much sample you have to take. So you can use the Craigie Morgan tables, to decide on that. Okay, so the data can be internal, or external, and from other third parties or second parties and so on. Okay, and we can also need to consider the stability, the reliability of the data also, and the cost involved. Okay, so typical data required for target marketing. So you have customer demographic data, income, and then purchasing power. So you need to understand the transaction and also the loyalty. And for the external data, you can use the customer survey, market research, macroeconomic factors, and also the competitions. Okay. So nowadays, customer has power because the power of, for example, digital marketing. Yeah, people do marketing or selling things through internet, through TikTok, through Facebook. Yeah, some people they don't like to go to the mall anymore. Yeah, because there is you can easily buy. Sometimes it is much cheaper. Yeah, than if you go to the mall. Yeah, you can simply buy from your home. Yeah, through internet. Yeah, so especially people who are living in a busy city like Kuala Lumpur, maybe they prefer to buy online. Yeah, especially for the food. Yeah, you can use Grab, yeah, Food Panda, and so on. Yeah, now the way people buy things is different. Yeah, so similarly for the business, they have to be flexible. They need to follow the trend, the current trend. Yeah, if not, it will be left out. Yeah, okay. And then we prepare the data. Is it in the right format for analysis? And you need to select the tools that you are going to use. Yeah. And then, of course, in preparing, part of it is to do data cleaning. Yeah. If there is missing data, you need to check why it is missing, or misrecorded data. Yeah. Misrecorded. It should be 10. Then the people who record it write 100. Yeah. But if you use sensors or IoT, we can reduce this. Yeah. Uh, but anyway, it can also happen where sometimes there's blackout, so no data is being recorded automatically. Yeah. If the power outage, yeah. So yeah, even if you use you capture the data automatically, but still, if the power, if no power, no electricity, the data will be missing. Okay. Yes. Okay. And then we need to define our variables carefully, create data dictionary, or dipanggil apa lah, operational, okay, we need to define, yeah. For example, you define your variable carefully, yeah. For example, height, what do you mean by height? What is the unit, and so on. Okay. So yeah, data preparation is very important. And actually in statistics, it's considered 80%, 60 to 80% of time is focusing on data preparation. Especially nowadays, the model that you want to use is already there. Yeah, in our language, for example, is already there. So what is important is to get the data clean. Yeah, to prepare the data well. So that is why they kata about 60 to 80% of the time in data analysis is actually preparing the data. Okay. And then, of course, you need to validate for correctness and produce basic summary reports. Yeah. And then we analyze, transform. Yeah. So that you need to check whether you want to do univariate analysis or multivariate analysis. Yeah. So univariate, you need to check the distribution of each of the variable and features. And kalau multivariate analysis, you need to check the relationship, yeah, with other variable and also with dependent variables. Yeah. So it depends on your study. So based on type of model you are going to use, you may need to transform the variable. Like I said, if I collect data on height and weight, yeah, I can calculate the BMI, yeah, using the mathematical formula to calculate. Okay. So there are many approach. Yeah, create distinct groups. Okay, we can use, for example, histogram to do that. Transformation. Yeah, logarithmic or polynomials. We need to look at the type of variables you have. Yeah, this is how you can transform your data. Gonna use log, square root, inverse, or you use box-Cox transformation. Okay, and how do you treat extreme value that occur? Yeah. Uh, let's say your range of values, range of data is between 100 to 200. Suddenly, you have a data which is 1,000 suddenly. Yeah. So you need to look at the extreme value, yeah, outlier, why it happened, and so on. But some study, they specifically study on the extreme values. Yeah, like my student did for flood. flood modeling. So she studied on the dipanggil peak over threshold, POT, only the maximum point. Okay, so that can be part of the study also. Yeah, so especially in civil, you have flood mitigation and so on. So you need to know what is the maximum, the pattern of the maximum value of rainfall. For example. Okay, and how do we treat missing value treatment? Missing value, how do we treat missing value? Sometimes people fill in the missing value with mean. So it depends on your data. And sometimes they take the mean between the data before and data after, then they take the average between two or the overall mean. Okay, that can also be done. Okay, and the last one is dimension reduction. Okay, dimension reduction, that means you choose the most, let's say you have 10 variable. So if you use the dimension reduction, like principal component analysis or factor analysis, you can scrutinize actually the most important variable maybe only 5 out of 10. The most significant. Where some of the variable you can cluster together. So you can use PCA. So it is called dimension reduction. Okay, any questions so far? Ada soalan? Maksudul, do you know what is makan? Minum?
Yes, doctor. I don't.
Okay, yes. Although this is your second semester, so you know a bit of Bahasa Malaysia,
Yes, doctor, a little bit.
Okay, Mohsin, do you know a little bit of Bahasa Malaysia also?
Sorry, ma'am?
Do you know a bit of Bahasa Malaysia word? Makan,
No, ma'am.
minum?
No, ma'am. Just I'm trying to learn.
You are learning.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Okay, any question? Is it okay?
It's okay, ma'am.
Okay, good. Okay, next step is random sampling. That means, like I mentioned, when we do modeling, normally we are going to reserve small part of the data for testing. The most of the data is for training. Training means to estimate, to get the estimation of the model by estimate the parameters. Okay. Okay, so to do random sampling, actually there are few classification of random sampling. Okay, we can do simple random, or stratified random sampling. It depends on your data. So for normally, if you use the training sample is 50%. So to complement, the testing is also 50% to validate the model. So it must be a complement. So if it is 60, then 40. If it is 70 for training, then you reserve 30% for the test and so on. 80, 20%. Normally people use 80, 20 lah. Mostly rule of thumb. Okay, model selection. So in statistics, there's a lot of models to be selected. And nowadays people are eager with machine learning model. But actually it is part of statistic model. Like regression is considered as machine learning, but under the supervised learning. For clustering, classification method, that is the unsupervised. Okay, so we have general linear model, non-linear, linear regression. There's a lot of, based on the regression itself, there's a lot of model to be choose from. So there are supervised and unsupervised. So if you learn machine learning, you'll see this term. What do we mean by supervised? What do we mean by unsupervised? So currently my student is using machine learning under the STL. Sorry, LSTM method. Okay. Okay. Move on. Okay, build and develop train models. So we have a population. Yeah, we divide the data into training sample and test sample. So you need to decide on the what is your dependent variable, yeah, and also independent variable, yeah. Response, yeah, response is the dependent variable. Predictors is the independent variables. Okay, so you need to yeah, okay, in for to use certain statistical model, there are criterias, yeah, that you need to fulfill. Yeah, for example, if you want to use regression, the requirement will be the data must be normally distributed. Yeah, for example. But sometimes normality is not a limitation. You can use what we call non-parametric model, yeah, to complement the parametric model. Yeah, like for example, regression, it must satisfy normality test. But if we cannot satisfy, we can use other method. Yeah, that is what we call non-parametric method. Yeah, which can also test for normality. Yeah. Okay, then we check for multicollinearity, redundancies or independent variable, yeah, the features. Sometimes in machine learning, we are keen on accuracy of the models, and hence we may not perform these checks. Yeah, so you need to be careful when you use machine learning, because there's some method in machine learning we cannot see what they are doing. Yeah, it's like in a black box. Like my student is using LSTM. There's not much of calculation you can see. Yeah, it is a working inside the black box. Yeah, and the result come out. Yeah, something like that. Okay, and you develop the model using the train data set, and then you measure the accuracy. Yeah, of your model, yeah, using some methods. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so this is the process. So we refine. So you need to look at the probability analysis and so on. Okay. So if it doesn't work, maybe you need to go back and forward. Yeah. Go back and forward to see what's wrong. Yeah. Or even sometimes you need to change the method. Yeah. Maybe the method you chose is not appropriate for that kind of data. Okay. So step 7 on how do we validate and test the model. Yeah, we can do cross validation. Yeah, in order to increase accuracy and performance of the model. Yeah. So yeah. Okay, general problem. So if you are given a collection of variables, each variable being a vector of readings of a specific trait on the sample in an experiment. So in what way does a variable y depend on each variable x1 up to xn in the study? Yeah. So for example, so they said a statistical model defines a mathematical relationship between i's and y. So the model is a representation of real y. Real y is always we reserve for dependent variable. Yeah, for the response variable. Okay, and x will be for the predictors or the independent variables. Okay. This is more explanation on the response variable, which is y. With other variable called the explanatory variables. Yeah. Or predictors. Yeah, we call it predictors. Okay, so and then we need to identify our variables characteristic, yeah, in the part of modeling, so that we choose the right model, the right mathematical or statistical model. Yeah, it depends on our data. Yeah, either the explanatory variable is continuous, categorical, or a mixture of both. Yeah. So you need to understand the nature of the variable. Okay. So other type of variable which could be considered will be called founder variable. What is it? Yeah, it's a variable that influences both the dependent verbal and also independent verbal. So it will cause a spurious association. So you need to be careful with confounding verbal. It will give a causal effect concepts and cannot be described in terms of correlation or association. So you need to be careful if you have this kind of verbal. It is called confounding verbal. Yeah, because it affects both independent and dependent verbal. Okay. It's a third verbal that affect verbal of interest and makes them seem related when actually they are not. Yeah. So we use mediator. It's the mechanism of a relationship between two verbal. It explains the process by which they are related. Okay. So we have mediator, we have confounder. Yeah. So these are types of verbals. Yeah. Okay. The explanatory verbals. Yeah. So if it is continuous, we use regression. If it is categorical, we use ANOVA. If it is both, we use analysis of covariance. Ya, itu dia apa ni? Bila dia ada dua lah, continuous and also categorical. Ya, ANCOVA. And for what kind of data, apa ni? If it is continuous, these are more we use normal, regression, ANOVA. Yeah, if it is proportion, we use logistic. Yeah, count. Yeah, log linear. Yeah, binary. We use by a logistic regression. Yeah, time and depth survival analysis. Yeah, so these are an example of the response variable. Yeah. So this is the one for the explanatory variables. That is the independent variable. Yeah. Okay. Okay, before this, I want to apa ni, give you okay, before kita tengok the modeling part, I want to introduce the R language for you. Okay. Did I give you a copy of the R notes? Saya sudah bagi ke? Did I give you? In the apa ni, in the chat? Okay, any questions so far? Is it okay? Sorry. Where is it? Okay. Saya dah bagi apa? I give you... Oops. Okay, I only give you the notes, yeah? Now I'm going to give you the R. Okay, could you please open that? Okay. Okay, can you see our language? Hello?
Yes, doctor.
Okay. I've sent through WhatsApp the our language notes. Yeah? Because you need to install this first. Not much of memory. Yeah? I think so. Yeah? Not that heavy. It is apa ni? Okay, could you please okay, I explain that first. Then you can install, yeah? I give you time to install this before we can use it. So is it okay if I continue or you want a break? Hello? Hello?
Okay, doctor.
Boleh ya? Continue. Okay. So what is our language? Okay. So I've been using our language during my Actually, my PhD. Yeah. I like our language. Maybe because I'm a statistician. Yeah. Uh, okay. So those who have other programming language, this one will be your added value. Yeah. Your added value. Maybe I will suggest to company to give another certificate for our language, yeah, that you have gone through, yeah, in this course. Separate certificate, yeah, because if you look at the UIS, there is no specific language stated there. Yeah, at least you can use that for your resume later on. Okay. Okay, some of you have other software, so this one will be your added value, yeah. Okay. So there's a lot about 60, but I'm not going to stress all in the Okay, so R is actually a language and a software environment for statistical computing and graphic. Yeah, it started with that. Yeah, it started with that objective. But nowadays, it can be used for machine learning, for doing mathematical modeling and so on. Okay, it has extend. Yeah, it is dynamic programming language. Yeah. Okay, so these are I like to go through the history so that we appreciate this knowledge, who invent it, who create it, and so on. So actually ours is after the name of Rose Ika and Robert Ika, yeah, from University of Auckland, yeah. So originally, yeah, R is actually originally it was known as S language, yeah, S plus specifically, yeah. During my master, I use S plus, yeah. It is a license, yeah. To start with, it is a license. But Ross and Robert, from University of Auckland, they believe that everybody should have a chance to be everybody should have a chance to use a programming language. Yeah. So that is why they invent or they create our language. Yeah. So it is actually open source. Yeah. So S plus T has the license, yeah, which is very expensive. Yeah. Okay. So this is the Bell Laboratories in USA, and then we have at the Auckland. Yeah. So so far, R is being used in many industry. Google, Facebook, yeah, they use R, yeah, to analyze their data. Okay, so the reason why we use R, because actually free of charge, that means no subscription fees. It is open source. Yeah, open source means no user limit. Yeah, anybody can use it. Anybody can modify the code. Anybody can use the code. Anybody can contribute codes, yeah, to this platform. Yeah. So yeah, and what I like about R is they have a strong and vibrant R community. Yeah, I remember when I did my PhD, yeah, I joined this forum, yeah, the R community. If I have problem with the codes, yeah, I put in the forum, and I can see that the expert statistician will help me. Yeah, they help me to solve my problems. So that is what I like. Yeah. So yeah. Okay, if you look at the ranking, yeah, with our language in 2024, it is on the 6th place, and see, Python is on the 1st, yeah. So actually, it doesn't matter, yeah, what language you learn or you expert. What is important is you must, nowadays people must have a programming skill, yeah, whatever. But I advise that to use open source, yeah, rather than the licensed one, yeah, because if you work out, you work at a company, a small company, they could not afford, yeah, to pay license, yeah, for the programming language. So if you know open source, then it's good. Yeah. So yeah. Okay. So try to learn. If you, let's say, use MATLAB, also try to learn other open source, like for example Python or R, to solve your problem. Okay. Because if we use open source, we can modify. Yeah, you can modify the codes and so on. You can customize. What is important is customize. Yeah, the code. There's a team of, I think Dr. Yanti is also included in the team. There a company in Gebang. Yeah, this is a real story. Yeah. Company in Gebang, they used to buy a software from overseas, millions of dollars. Yeah. And every year they have to renew the license and so on. And Dr. Yanti and team, they went to the company and they sit down with them, discuss and so on, because that particular person, that contact, their contact, yeah, want to know how the code is being developed. Yeah. So they go through together and they can crack the code. Yeah. So now they have patented the formula and so on. Yeah. So they no longer buy the expensive software outside. Yeah. Actually, we can also customize our our codes. Yeah, for our to fit our needs. Yeah, to fulfill our needs. So it is interesting. Yeah, if you know coding. Okay. So yeah, in another study, Python is number 2 and R is number 9. So it depends on the platform that analyzed this. And I just make a comparison between R and Python. Yeah, both are open source. So yeah, try to learn one or any open source language. Yeah, that is my advice. Okay, so the R language is, can you get R language from this website? Ni HTTP from Cran lagi senang ya, Cran ni. Copy this one, and then could you please go to apa ni? Or you can copy the R project. Okay, let me open so that I can show you. Yeah. Okay, before that. I just go through this first. Okay, R. Okay, this is the the website that we are going to install shortly. Okay, so this is how we do it. Yeah, HTTP, and then you choose CRAN and download and so on. So if you use Apple, there's also Apple. Sorry, Apple pula apa dia? What is it called? Different from Word. Yeah, there's also instruction for that. Okay, yes, for Mac operating system. Okay, so this is when you open the website and then you download R if you are using Windows. If you're using Apple or Mac, you can write you can download R for Mac. Okay, and then you will see this. Okay, and then actually in this course, I'm going to use RStudio. Yeah, RStudio is simply the integrated development environment. It is actually a user-friendly interface. So behind that, it is R. R is running behind that. Yeah. So we are going to open RStudio instead of R. Yeah, but when we install, the step would be to install R and then install RStudio. That is the steps. Yeah, you cannot run RStudio without R. Yeah, so in other words, you have to download two language. One is R, another one is RStudio. Yeah. Okay. So this is the step. Once you got R, then you can download RStudio. Okay. And in RStudio, there are 4 features like this. Yeah. Okay. Now I will move to R language. Oh, I need to open it from the website, right? From the website. So from the website, what is the opening? Cran. So can you follow me? Install R language. Okay, so just click here. Can you follow me? Is it okay? Hello? Anybody want to share your screen so that I can, because since I have this in my computer, so yeah, it's better if you can share your screen so that I can guide you step by step. Is it okay? Anybody would like to share your screen rather than I'm sharing my screen? Oh, Nazir is here, Nazir? Just now I'm looking for you, Nazir. Nazir datang. And then, yep, ada tak? Yep, Juan. Okay, yep. Okay, anybody? I stop sharing first. Anybody would like to share your screen so that we can install R from your laptop or anybody? Hello, are you there?
Yes, doctor. I'm sharing.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Pak Sudul. Okay, good. And then are you using Windows? Mac.
Window, doctor.
Okay, good. So you go to download R. Getting started to download R. Okay, good. So everybody can follow these steps. Okay, you can choose anywhere. Maybe you can choose Australia. That is also close to us. The grand. Okay, so choose download R for Windows. Okay, good. And then base. Install R for the first time. Okay, so download, that's the latest one. Okay, just take a few minutes, yeah. What about the others? Are you doing the same thing? Hello? This is the problem when we do opening online, eh? Very difficult to get people response. Hello, are you there? Hmm? Sudu, are you at UMP, Pekan?
No, doctor. I'm currently in Bangladesh. That's why the
Oh, ya ke?
network is slow.
Oh, okay. Far away. I thought you are in Malaysia.
No, doctor. I came in the previous month. I'll go back to Malaysia this month.
Okay. So you are staying in Bangladesh, huh?
Yes, doctor.
Who you ask? What is the question? I mean, sorry. Somebody asked question. Okay. Okay, nearly there. Somebody asking question, yeah. What is it? Which one should I choose, doctor? At the Australia, okay? Anything, anywhere that is closest to us. Cairo is good. It's stable apa ni platform. Yeah, finally. So you just open that. Run it first. Okay. Next. Oh, next. Yeah, just next. Finish. Okay, that's good. Okay, and then you go to our studio. Close this. Find our studio. A new
Just
apa ni?
search Google, Doctor.
Yes, Google betul. That's right. Studio. Download. Our
This
studio. Yes. Desktop. I don't know. Yes, just download. Our studio there at the top right. Download. Yes, that part. Yes, we have done install R just now. Okay, yeah. Okay, so it is downloading. Yeah.
Yes, Doctor. It will take more than 7 minutes
No, it's
probably.
very quick. It's very quick. Once you have R, then R Studio is very quick. Because people in Malaysia doesn't want to share their screen. People from Bangladesh. Thank you, Maksudu, for your good response.
Thank you, Doctor.
What about others? Is it
Yes,
going
Doctor,
well?
I think others can share because my internet is slow here.
Yeah. Anybody from Malaysia want to share your screen? Thank you, Maksudul. Anybody from Malaysia? Or you are done already? Hello? I think I didn't mute anybody, right? Did I? I don't think I mute everybody. Anybody? You can switch on your apa ni? Who is responding there? Oh, downloading our language. Okay, good. Thank you, Hanif. Okay, anybody have download our studio? You want to share so that we can start off straight away from your screen? Okay, once you are done, just let me know if you have done with R and also R Studio. Yeah, make sure you install in sequence. Install R first and then R Studio. If you are done, just write done. Or you put your hand up. Yeah. So how are you going? Hello, how are you going? Yes, Hanif, you can share your screen. Thank you. Okay, good. Okay, that's good. Just next, install, and so on. Yeah, very quick. Yeah, finally, it's done. Okay, now you can open our studio. Can you open our studio? Launch the our studio. Mr. Hanif, can you share your screen first, so that other people can see how to start the our studio before?
This one, right, Doctor?
Tak nampak. Couldn't see your our screen.
Oh.
Can you share? Can you share your screen? Technical issue. Okay. Anybody want to share if you are done with our installing our studio? Anybody? Leong? Mr. Leong, you want to share? Mr. or
Yeah.
Miss? Huh? Boleh share? Can you share?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, you haven't installed our studio ke? Ke sudah? Oh,
Ask
okay.
me this.
Oh, dah. Okay. So just open it. Okay. 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 Just okay.
Okay.
Okay, good, good. Okay, so crash reporting can be disabled at any time under the global. I don't know what to write. Maybe yes. Good. Yeah. Default yes. Yeah. Okay. So this is the layout of R Studio. Whenever you want to use R, open R Studio. Okay. Could you please enlarge your apa ni? Enlarge your screen. Yeah. I'll guide you. Boleh.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, can you see the word file there? File at the top? The left corner, top corner. Okay, new file. And then R script. Open the R script. Okay. Can you see that now you have 4 panels? Yeah. So the top right, the top left, yeah, is actually the codes that where you want to write your codes. Yeah. Below it, the bottom left is the execution, the output. Yeah, from the code you write, you'll get the output. Okay, let's try. You write 2 plus 5. Just type 2 plus 5 or 1 plus 5, whatever. Okay, put your cursor at, yes, and then run. Can you see the word run there? Run. This panel. No, this panel. Okay, there are 4 panels. We call the script, the console, and then you have the history, yeah, or the environment, and then on the left you have the environment, and also the bottom right is the packages, the plot, and so on. Okay, so yes, that run. Don't write equal to. Don't write equal to. Okay, just run. So can you see in your console? Oops, in your console, can you see in your console? The answer is 6. Is it okay?
Okay.
So the console is the output. The script, yeah, is where you write your codes. Okay. So can you write SQRT, okay, in the brackets 100? Brackets? Round brackets, I mean. 100. And then run it. Yeah. 10. Boleh? Okay. What about log 100? Okay. So in R, for logarithmic, if you write log, it actually do for the natural log, not log to base 10. Okay, if you want to use log to base 10, could you please write log 10 10. Tu dah keluar dah. No. Log 10. log 10. 10. Yeah. And in the brackets, 100. Yes, run. Boleh? Okay, so that is a special function for R. Okay, you can run all your codes by highlighting it. Can you highlight all your codes? Yeah, and then run. Yeah, it will go. So you can run one by one or one at a time. Is it okay? Oh, the whole thing in one at one time. Okay. So that means your RStudio is functioning well. Okay. Okay. Now I want you to type 1 to 100.
1.
1 and then colon 100.
That is
Yes, that's right. Oh no, not equal. Colon. You know colon? Double full stop. 1 to 100. No, not quotation. Colon. We have semicolon. We have colon, right? So colon is the double dot. No, that is semicolon. Colon. On top of it. Yeah. Can you run that? What it will give you? Yeah. Can you see that? Okay, 1 to 100. Okay, let's say you want to find the summary of 1 to 100. 1 to 100. Yeah, boleh ya. Okay. You write summary in front of 1 to 100. Summarize. Summary, yes. Take that one, summary. Okay, inside that you put 1 to 100. Put 1 to 100. Okay, so what it will give you? Yeah. So they find the mean, they give you the mean, median, and so on. Okay, another one. Describe. The word describe. Instead of summary, you use describe. Okay, actually you don't have to type, just apa ni? DES. Describe. DESCRIB. Describe. DES. DESC. Then R. Small c. That is small c. This CRIVE. Describe. RI. Okay, in the parentheses, 1 to 100.
1 to?
Yes, the same thing, 1 to 100. What did it give you? Okay, it says that could not function. Okay, now you go to the right, on the right bottom panel. Can you see the word packages? On the right panel, bottom one. Right panel, bottom.
Yes.
At the bottom. Yeah, can you see the word packages?
Yes.
Yeah, that's right. You go to install. I want to teach you how do you install the packages in R. Okay, just yes. So this this dialog box will come out. So you'd write PSH CY. Yes. Doesn't count. PSC. I couldn't remember.
Doctor, could you please repeat this step? Install package.
Install package. Okay, one more time. Tan, can you read Tan pula? Leong, can you go back? Okay, what do we do? Leong?
Yeah, this package here.
Packages.
And here is the install.
Install. Okay, good. And then type PSYCH. PSYCH. Okay, can you see that? Okay, click that. Click that, PSYCH. Okay, then go to install. Very good. Okay, so let it be. Okay, once you have installed, you need to call it. Okay, before the describe, put a line before the describe.
Line.
Line 6, put a apa ni? No, at line 6, put a press enter. Line 6, press enter. After the summary. After the summary. Yes. You write library. Okay. And then inside there you put PSYCH. PSYCH. Brackets. Yeah, okay, the one that you have installed just now. Okay, now run that. Okay. And then describe. Okay, very good. Can you see the difference? So actually summary, the function, the packages is already, whenever you install a new R or R Studio, it's already there. The orang kata standard packages, yeah, default packages. But some packages you need to get it, yeah. You need to get it, yeah. So you need to install it, okay. So using R Studio, this is the way we install packages, yeah. But if you use R, you need to type install packages, then it will do it. Yeah. But using RStudio, you just click from here, type what packages you want, install it. Once you install, you see this cursor, yeah, at the console part. You see the greater than symbol. When it is blue, that means it's ready. Yeah. Then you need to call the package that you have installed by typing library in front of it. Okay. So can everybody do that? Is it okay?
Okay, Doctor.
Boleh ya? Okay, very good. What about the others? Maksudu, is it okay for you?
Yes, Doctor.
Okay, very good. Fatima?
Yes, Doctor.
Firdaus?
Yes, Doctor, can.
Okay, good. Nazir, Mr. Nazir? Hello? Okay, Tan? Mr. Tan, is it okay?
Yes, Doctor.
Okay, good. Mohsin? Mr. Mohsin?
Ma'am, I have just completed R language installment and now I'm trying to install R Studio.
Okay. Where are you? Where is your location? Also in Bangladesh?
No, ma'am, Malaysia.
Oh, Malaysia. In UMP?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, very slow, UMP. Okay, Sophia, you okay, Sophia?
Fine. Yes,
Okay, good. Shahnizan?
Good.
Okay, good. Okay, now, so that is a starting point. At least you know where to. Okay, I want to teach you one more thing. Okay, another one is you go to File, Leong. You go to File. Is it okay with you, Leong, to share your screen? Is it
Wow.
okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, good. Okay, you go to File. Okay, then new file. Okay, you take R notebook. Okay, good. Okay, now. Wait, it takes time to generate. Yes. Okay, just yes. Yeah, that means they need some packages to operate the R notebook. Okay. R notebook is actually a nice kata layout where you can see your codes and your output in one place. Yeah. Another one is you can publish. Yeah, sometimes if you go through the internet, yeah, you can see the codes and the output. So they use HTML to do that. Okay. So normally, I ask my student when you want to submit your work, you should use R notebook. If not, you have to copy your code and your output into Word, other document. Yeah. If using R notebook, yeah, it is in one place, so it's already nice. Yeah. But I have to teach you lah how. Okay. So can you see that there's a 1 to 4? Yeah, I'm referring to the apa ni? Okay, you can collapse the window behind below it. Yeah, just collapse it. Okay, so that you can see clearly. So this is the feature of R notebook. Okay, from line 1 to 4, you cannot delete. Yeah, remember that. If you delete that, it won't work. Okay, but from line 5 to 9, that is the space where you can write your name, your ID, your lab title, and so on. Okay, can you do that? Apa ni, Leong? Write your name, like name. Okay, and then to go to the next line, you must put backslash, one backslash. Backslash, that is forward slash. Backslash. Can you, okay, put backslash. Okay, then go to the next line. Okay, write down your ID. Okay, then after that you can delete from 9 to 11. Just delete that part. Just sharing the company. Okay, now before that maybe you add some more. Okay, after your ID, put another backslash. Okay, below that you may write, this is my first R language lesson. For example, or what you can write anything lah. R language lesson. Okay. Okay, below, okay. Now, below that, you can see that double dot, line 11 to 13. You see the triple dot and R plotcast. Okay. Can you run that? You use the run button, the green button. Yes. In that, no, not that one. Yes, yes, that one. Just run. Okay. Can you see? So actually the gray area is for your coding part. Okay. The white area, it will, once you run your code, it will give you punya output. Okay. Now, if you go down, scroll down. Okay. In another white space, okay. You go to line 14. Okay, you just write, this is my output, for example. Okay, and then enter. Okay, one more. Okay, if you want to insert another code, you control alternate I. Control alternate I. Control in your keyboard. Yes, can you see that? You can create another new coding area. Okay, now the sentence below that you can clear. You can clear all that. Okay, just clear that. Okay, yes. Okay, now I want you to write in the new code at line 17, 1 plus 10, let's say. Or you can copy what you have just now. You go to untitled document just now. You can copy all the codes that you have there. Yeah. Yes, copy this. Yeah, copy. Yes, go there. Okay, can you run that? Boleh. Okay, and then you go to the next one. Yes, that's right. So you can see the whole thing. Yeah, so it is apa ni? In other words, you can okay, maybe you from 21 to 24, you delete that part from 21 to 24. Line 21 to 24. Okay. Control X. Okay, you Control X, then you create another code area. Control Insert Alternate I. Yeah, and then put what you cut just now. Yeah. Oops. Oh, dia masuk white area. Okay. Make sure you delete the one dot tu. Another apa ni, backspace. Sorry. Undo. Yeah. Mesti in between that. Yes, that's right. Yeah. So run it. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Go to the next one. Okay. Now. Okay. Okay. You can run out all by at the top though. At the top. You can run, yeah. Yes, just apa ni? You can run, you can choose how you want to run your code. Is it selected lines, current chunk? Yes. Sekejap. Yeah. Okay, and so on. So is it all and so on. Kalau you want to run all, you can try run all. Run all. The bottom one. Yeah. Okay. Boleh. Okay. Okay, so is it okay now? Do you understand? So the white area, the white area in between the code is for you are the coding, you run it, you'll get the output. So below that, you can write notes. Yeah, you can write notes at 22, 23 though. Yeah. Can you write something in between that? Yeah, you can write notes there. This is my second output, for example. Okay, so run it all, run all. You letak backslash tu if you have 2 lines, yeah? If not, you don't have to put. Yeah, backslash tu. Okay. Okay, dah run. Run all. Okay, now once you are done, you go to preview. Go to preview. Can you see the preview behind the magnifying glass? Okay, go to preview. Scroll down. Yeah. Go to need to HTML, the second one. Need to HTML. Okay, so you need to give the name of your file. Yeah, give the name first. R1, yeah, or try 1. Or R class 1, okay, whatever. Okay, then save. Save. Okay. Okay, just be patient. So the HTML has generated this report. Okay, then you go to open browser. Wait, so it is processing. Open browser.
Yeah, this is in browser now.
Sorry?
This is in Google Chrome.
Google Chrome. So by right, it will open the browser. One more time. Can you see that? It's very nice, isn't it? It's like automatic books. Yeah, your own books. Yeah. Okay, we haven't completed it yet. I don't know. By light, it should come out the from the browser.
Yeah,
One
this,
more time.
this is the
Huh?
browser. This is the browser
There
page.
should be at the browser. You should see the 3 dots. Where is it? 3 dots. Yeah. When you open the browser, it should ada 3 dots dekat apa ni? Dekat on apa ni? Top right. Top right tu ada 3 dot. You go to print. Mana dia punya 3 dots tu ya? Tak ada keluar. Yes. You go to print. And then you save as PhD. So when you want to send to me, it should be in this form, PDF form, ya. Jangan yang hantar yang HTML tadi tu. But it is the same, ya. Cuma ini we save it in PDF. Is it okay? Okay, then you save lah. Using the same name pun okay. Okay, normally you need to write your name and ID, dan cost lah. So that I know that because I have many students, you can write your ID, your name, dan your cost. UIS 1133. Okay. And then you save it. So these are the files that you will send to me for your first report later on. Okay. So using the R notebook. So it's very nice. So easy for me to check. Okay, did everybody get that? Boleh ya? If anything's happen, yang tak boleh apa ni tu, you can reinstall balik, uninstall and install the R and R Studio, But sometimes dia ada hiccup lah, Some people they go it very smoothly. It's normal. So thank you very much. Okay.
I have
Yes.
one question. Can you please explain the backslash thing?
Backslash thing.
Like if you press enter, it's going to the next line. So why do you need to, put the backslash?
Oh, if not, it doesn't. Okay, you can try. Leon, could you please remove all the backslash at the top?
Yeah, this I continue with this.
Yes. Oh, okay. See what happened without the backslash.
So now I run it.
And then you need to knit HTML. Actually, when you use R notebook, you don't have to look at the console part because the console in R notebook is below it. Yeah, do you understand my point? The console part, you can collapse that part. Yes, you can collapse because in R notebook the output is below it.
All right.
Okay, so you need to knit to HTML, then you can observe the effect of without or with backslash.
To HTML.
Yeah. Where did you write it? Oh, maybe you write
here.
See, can you
Here.
see that? Mr. Siapa tanya tadi?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is why you have to put the backslash.
If it
Actually,
has-
behind that, there's a LaTeX. Do you know LaTeX? LaTeX coding.
Yes, doctor. I heard about it.
Yeah. So for PhD, I use LaTeX to write my thesis because it automatically control my sections, my numbering pages, and so on. Yeah, my references. So it is a bit of coding. Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Very good. Okay. Did everybody get that? I think it's very good. Yeah. Student do that. So that you can and furthermore we record this. Yeah. So yeah. Okay. Is it okay? Okay. So who else want to continue? Yeah, can we break 5 minutes? There's a student want to see me just now. Is it okay? Give him
Sure.
for 5 minutes, yeah? Okay. Now, we do a bit of some exercise. I think it's better if you do it, yeah? So that kalau saya buat nanti dia, maybe we take data from, okay, maybe I use data from this. Okay, I want you to, anybody want to share their screen so that you can learn from apa ni juga? Anybody? Anybody want to share? Just now, Dion share. Anybody else? No? Nobody?
I share, Doctor.
Sorry?
I share.
Okay, good, Hanif. Okay, Mr. Hanif. Share your R Studio. And we use R Notebook lah. Terus. So that everybody familiar. Of course, in class, I will use R Script. Yeah? You all guna R Studio. If not, if you use R Studio, you need to copy paste your code, your output inside the inside Word, so it is troublesome. Okay, so you have your name there. Okay. Use line 12. Use line 12. Okay, just delete that part. That one is just a sample, yeah. So I want you to install car packages. So go to packages. Go to packages. Install CAR. Okay, install. Okay, don't worry about the red red signal there. Yeah. Okay. Okay, there's a lot of packages inside the car park. Okay, then it's done. Now, after that, what should you do? Type library. Library. In the brackets, car. Okay, good. Okay, run that. Okay, now, next line. 13, page 13. Sorry, page pula. Apa ni? Line 13. Okay. Write marketing. Okay, run that. Oh, you kena panggil data dia dulu kot. Penjat je ya. Okay, kita dah install. Okay. By right, apa ni je? Boleh je. Pergi ni. Type data in front of marketing. DATA. In brackets. Oh, don't put space. Just brackets. Before data, marketing. Cuba run. Dia tak jumpa je. Patutnya ada tu. Okay, it's okay. So it's okay. We try other data. Okay. Now delete that part. Line 13. Okay, so at line 13, new one, you write data, parenthesis, data, and then parenthesis, nothing inside. Okay, run it. Okay, can you see? This is the data that is in our database. Okay, just take one value. Let's say one one data. Maybe you want to any data. Blackmore. Okay, yes, whatever you want to take. Canadian or labor force participation. Okay. Okay. By right, dia keluar apa? Okay, now by right, B Fox tu below data tu. Yeah. No, okay. Okay, can you see that there's the data in R? Yeah. So that is the data of B Fox. Yeah. Okay. So for example, we want to find the mean of man wage. Okay. So could you please write in front of B Fox, write MN. MN. Okay, space. Less than dash. Dash. Okay, now space. Okay, after B Fox, you write $sign. $sign. No space between the Fox and apa ni. Then copy the word man wage, or you can type man wage. Okay, MEN. MEN. Into merwage, merwage. Okay, now go to the next line. MN. Okay, now you can run. Sekejap. Yang that number 13 tu, line 13, you put a hash key before it. Before data, letak hash key. Yes, hash key. Apa ni? Yang tanda hashtag. Yes, that's right. So if you put hashtag, that means it won't run the code. Yeah. Okay. Okay, sepatutnya data tu dia ada apa ni parenthesis lah, apa data. And you can see that our data set is being opened. Yeah. Okay, now you run. Okay. So can you see that is the data for mean wage? Okay, man wage. Okay, before the B, write MEAN, mean, purata. Okay, then close the brackets. Put a brackets before B and after E. Yes. Okay, run. Okay, so that is the mean for the man wages. Okay, so that is how we do it. Okay, MN means we give the name. Less than dash, it is similar to equal to. Okay, equal to. You can change the less than dash with equal to. Can you change that? Yes. Equal to. Yeah, run. Boleh. Okay, so yeah, less than dash is the, I like to use that rather than equal, but nowadays people simply use equal. Yeah, but it is the same. Okay, so that is how we do. Okay, maybe you can also do, okay, now let's say you want to next line, or you can open a new R script. Open a new R script. Letak before 17 tu boleh ke? Before okay. Good. Now take the put dt, write dt. You nak guna equal or less than dash, it up to you. Okay, equal to, you take bfox manwich tu yang atas tu, before and way tu ambil tu, letak dekat situ, letak yes, that's right. Okay, next line. You write summary dt in the brackets. Yeah, no apa ni? No, summary is a special. Yeah, that's right. You are right. Okay, then run. Boleh? So okay, you can see that I'm renaming the before wish wish has dt. I call a new name, or I give a new name. Instead of writing a long term, a long word, so I just use dt, and then I can summarize dt. I can find the mean of dt. Okay, next line, find mean dt. Next line, mean dt. Mean dt. Okay, make sure kurungan, okay, so you run. Okay, can you see that? So the first line is the summary function. The second is the mean of the data. Okay, is it okay? Any question? Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Hanif.
Okay, Doctor.
Okay, very good. So boleh ya? Okay, so you need to play around with this. Okay, I think kita end kita punya kelas kat sini lah, takut apa ni, before next week kita akan tengok the modeling part, the modeling part. Kita guna R and so on. For the meantime, maybe I give you some exercises to work on the data, and then you can try, so next week you are ready for the modeling and so on. Okay, so any question before we end our session? Any question? Do you think this is the best way to learn? I mean, you yourself experiencing hands-on it? Is it okay this way?
Good.
Okay. So any question regarding our notebook? So remember the step. You run. You go to new R notebook, and then open the once you are done with your coding, you need to knit HTML to HTML, then open browser, and then you look at the 3 dots to print as PDF. So that is how you save your output. If not, if you are using R script, you need to copy paste your output and your code in Word. So that is a bit hassle. So and actually the PDF is very nice. It's like, and actually some people, they publish their work. You can, I mean, if you want to share in your LinkedIn, so it's very nice. Okay, any other question?
No, Doctor.
No. Okay, so I think we end our class here. So I'll see you next week on Friday. So then we can do the modeling part and so on. So just practice. Out there's a lot of information, videos regarding our language. So how do you find our language so far? Is it difficult? Your opinion so far?
It's a straightforward thing.
Okay, good. Straightforward. During my time, I learned, I use thin R, but it's not user friendly, because every time a new version come out, I have to there's a lot of error and so on. Yeah. So that is why I start switching to our studio. Yeah. So it's very good. Yeah, it's like text studio, because I'm using LaTeX for my thesis. Okay. Okay, so if there is no question, we can we can adjourn our meeting for today here, and then I'll see you next Friday. Okay. So I need to end the recording, right? How should I do that? Okay. So I should stop. Okay. Okay, see you then. Assalamualaikum and very good morning still.
Thank you, Doctor.
Okay,
you,
welcome.
Dr.